Guys, do you want to get before? I will teach you. Level with the level will know what level. So you need is to get God Chalice. First, you need to kill Ripindra. You need the 3 legendary color hearts. And then put here. Here you need to input here, there. If you finish killing Ripindra, you need one more God Chalice. You need to go to Sea of Threats and kill Doking. Once you kill Doking, you will get Mirror Fractal. And you go to the sea and go sea event. Don't kill the sea events and wait to the Mirage. Once you spawn the Mirage, go on the top and auto your V3. So if you done that, you will see the Mirror Fractal there in the screen. So you go find the blue gear. If you find the blue gear, so you need only to wait full moon and wait somebody to help you V4. Thanks for watching, guys.